In the vast and ancient system of traditional Chinese medicine TCM, herbs have long been revered for their ability to nourish the body and promote holistic wellness. One such formula that has gained recognition for its ability to strengthen the legs is a simple combination of 3 potent herbs: Dang Gui, Su Duan, and Gu Suibu. The trio of leg-strengthening herbs Dang Gui Angelica sinensis, also known as female ginseng. This herb is highly prized in TCM for its ability to nourish the blood. By invigorating blood circulation, Dang Gui helps to strengthen the muscles and tendons, which in turn supports the structural integrity of the legs. Su Duan Dipsacus aspiroides, this herb, whose name translates to broken restoration, is renowned for its ability to strengthen and mend bones, ligaments, and tendons. By targeting these crucial structural components of the legs, Su Duan helps to enhance overall leg strength and stability. Gu Suibu Drinaria rhizome, often referred to as the stone-mending herb. Gu Suibu is prized for its ability to nourish and strengthen the bones. This herb works synergistically with Su Duan to fortify the skeletal foundation of the legs, promoting greater weight-bearing capacity and reduced risk of injury. The synergistic effects when combined. These 3 herbs create a powerful formula that addresses the multifaceted needs of the legs. The blood-nourishing properties of Dang Gui ensure that the muscles and tendons are well supplied with the necessary nutrients for growth and repair. Su Duan and Gu Suibu, on the other hand, work to strengthen the underlying bone and connective tissue structure, providing a solid foundation for the legs to bear weight and withstand the stresses of everyday life and physical activity. This harmonious blend of herbs not only helps to build leg strength, but also enhances overall leg health and function by promoting better circulation, reinforcing the skeletal framework, and supporting the integrity of the musculoskeletal system. This formula can help to alleviate common leg-related issues such as muscle cramps, joint pain, and even osteoporosis. Practical applications: the Dang Gui, Su Duan, and Gu Suibu formula can be particularly beneficial for individuals engaged in physically demanding activities, such as athletes, manual laborers, or those who spend a significant amount of time on their feet. By incorporating this formula into their wellness regimen, they can experience enhanced leg strength, improved endurance, and a reduced risk of injury. Moreover, this formula can also be beneficial for older adults or those recovering from leg-related injuries or surgeries. The nourishing and restorative properties of the herbs can help to accelerate the healing process, promote faster recovery, and support the long-term health and strength of the legs. Conclusion: in the rich tapestry of traditional Chinese medicine, the Dang Gui, Su Duan, and Gu Suibu formula stands out as a simple yet highly effective means of strengthening the legs. By addressing the multifaceted needs of the musculoskeletal system, this herbal combination can help to build leg strength, enhance overall leg health, and support a wide range of physical activities and life stages. As with any herbal remedy, it's essential to consult with a qualified TCM practitioner to ensure proper usage and dosage, but the potential benefits of this leg strengthening formula are undeniable.